Masquera say Mure Zimbabwe, welcome to our channels in Confessions and Deep Secrets. Anakariki kutanga kukuya panino channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchingwa gara subscriber. Don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Mure Zimbabwe takigirai nyaya irikupisa nyaya netsa iyo yabuda isharwa yo chinzi ma opposition members akatenda the meeting yanga iri kuPrecabe farm hanzi vane mari dzavakapiwa hanzi vakapiwa ma 5,000 each kunzi akadonetwa naWicknell Chivayo. Say Wicknell Barkunzi is supporting the ED 2030 campaign kuti awanikwa achiprotecta zvinhu zvavo muri Zimbabwe. Tisingazive kuti munoiona sei nyaya iyi. Nyaya yakaburitswa namajaira Jairos achitaura achiti, according to one of my sources from other faction, opposition members who attended the circus at Precabe farm walked away with 5,000 each, apparently donated by Wicknell Chivayo. Wicknell has been on a crusade to buy support for ED Mnangagwa's 2030 aningachipo agenda. Ndo maburitiro katika nyaya iyi namajaira Jairos muri Zimbabwe azvinomira mushe vanhu vari kuchema nekutengeswa kwakaitwa mavhotsi avo naSengezo Shavangu zvinzi ma-MPs akatenda esaya vaifanira kuconsider vanhu vakavavhotera muri Zimbabwe. Vanhu vakakurudzirana kuti aiwa the next election vanhu ava havasi kufanira kuzovhoterwa muri Zimbabwe. Anofunga vaShabangu vakabuda publicly vachiitaurayo vachiti vaMnangagwa vanofanira kutonga kusvika 2030 hanzi kana zvichita kuti nyika ende mberi ngavatonge zvavo. Nzi opposition iripo pakucriticize the ruling party kuti ruling party ichite zvine musoro. Nyaya yashamisa vanhu vazhinji muri Zimbabwe. Kutaura kwatiri kuita vanhu vana kufara zvakare neatendance vanhu vakaita sana Thokozani Khupe avo vakambobuda vachishoropodza hurumende yaMnangagwa navo zvichinzi vadzokera zvakare. Zvinzi he was just a project yava Mnangagwa neZANU-PF muri Zimbabwe. Ndofunga vaThokozani Khupe vakajoina this list yevanhu vakapiwa mari kuPrecabe farm vakabuda vachijustify his visit muri Zimbabwe vachitaura ivo vachiti she went kuPrecabe farm kunodzidza development iri kuitwa navaMnangagwa muri Zimbabwe. Munyaya yakaburitswa neResume Eye vachitaura ivo vachiti former Deputy Prime Minister and Opposition Citizens Coalition for Change National Assembly Proportional Representation member Thokozani Khupe has publicly endorsed a ZANU-PF faction campaigning for President Emmerson Mnangagwa to extend his rule beyond the constitutional 2 terms. Khupe made the controversial declaration on Sunday during a visit to Mnangagwa's Precabe farm in Kwekwe. We are here at the President's farm to look and learn, because when you are talking about development, it's not rocket science. It is about copying from other people, Khupe said. As MPs, we have come to see what the President is doing because he is doing very well. People must learn to disassociate politics from good things. What we have seen at the President's farm is that we can restore Zimbabwe to being the breadbasket of Africa. Her remarks have sparked outrage among CCC loyalists as she broke ranks with the opposition's principle by aligning with ZANU-PF factions. Khupe's stance was echoed by party's controversial Secretary General Sengezo Shavangu, who has been labeled a rebel within the CCC ranks. Shabangu, speaking at the same gathering, went further in his praise for Mnangagwa. His Excellency, as the role of opposition is to criticize constructively so that the ruling party can stay in power. We are here, Your Excellency, as a family. If improving your stay in power makes the people of Zimbabwe happy, so let it be, Shabangu declared. The gathering featured more endorsements from Mnangagwa loyalists, with Midlands Provincial Affairs Minister Owen Ncube openly advocating for Mnangagwa to remain in power beyond 2028. As a province, we continue to call for your continued stay as president beyond 2030, Ncube said. Heading to the chorus, ZANU-PF Deputy Political Commissar Webster Shamu urged Mnangagwa to hold on to power indefinitely. Rambai Muripo, stay in power. The MPs are pleading with you to remain as the country's president beyond 2028, Shamu said, showcasing the ruling party's entrenched bootlicking culture. It is reported that at least 15 CCC legislators attended the ZANU-PF meeting, further deepening divisions within the opposition party. By endorsing Mnangagwa, these lawmakers have aligned themselves with the faction of ZANU-PF members, undermining Vice President Constantino Chiwenga's ambitions to succeed Mnangagwa in 2028. Critics argue that such endorsements flout constitutional principles by suggesting an extension of Mnangagwa's rule beyond the legally mandated 2 terms. Observers see these developments as part of Mnangagwa's long-standing divide and rule strategy, which is deployed since 2008 to weaken opposition forces and consolidate power. Timabuditsiro wakati wa nyaya iyi edzimai muri Zimbabwe tisingazive kuti munoiona sei nyaya iyi tuziye muri kufunga mu comment section.
Tokozani Khupe, when we told you, but nobody wanted to listen. Because Khupe is a byproduct of regional politics that were fostered by workmen Nube's camp. They are the one who demanded their inclusion at the expense of the ailing Tabita Kumalo. Their return was not endorsed by Nelson Chamisa. That's a lie. Khupe was forced on Chamisa by the same people that are handling NaTshabangu. He has done it again, from nocturnal coup plotting meeting in Johannesburg with Christopher Mutsangwa to feeding the fish and PreCabe dam, and to this 23rd agenda endorsement. I can say Khupe has come to a full circle. And as opposition issues, because we tell you to Mnaite, but you still go ahead and endorse the very same person in the name of unity, fake unity. So, these guys are setting up a narrative, like I said in the last space, that this is a 23rd agenda and a one-party state agenda. They are decimating the opposition. And on our watch, while we are busy debating here and analyzing and making analysis and taking no action, like what the Mozambicans are doing. This guy, NaTshabangu, is walking free in the street and no one touch him. How docile are we, Zimbabwe? Someone conduct an atrocity on us in broad daylight, but the man is free to walk around and we do nothing. We even shake his hand and greet him. Chabangu, SG. We even dare call him SG when we meet him, instead of giving him one baram clap. No one does that. The guy represents no one who elected Chabangu. He represents no one. He does not have a single constituency. And he's holding the MPs at ransom. And MPs, out of their greed, are capitulating because they are greedy. Right? Look at what happened today. The parliament itself is in violation of the constitution. Mudenda endorsed 2030 as who? The man is supposed to be a neutral speaker of parliament, but he stands on the podium and endorses 2030 agenda. The speaker of parliament, who is supposed to